guys, do you miss me? Today I'm going to give you a video on how I retwist my hair with 2-strand twists. Right here I'm showing you the rose water and glycerin that I use to keep my hair re-moisturized whenever it gets dry, because I did just wash my hair, but to moisturize it I use that. I also use this African Pie 5 essential oils with vitamin E. And last but not least, these rubber bands for the ends of my hair. All I'm doing right here is sectioning out parts of my hair so it can be easier to twist them, easier to get them into the style that I want. Okay, the first thing I do is section out the bottom row of my locks so that they can be all on the same accord when I twist my hair. Okay, so I don't use combs or anything. I'm not a professional. I don't try to make them as straight as possible. All I do is part the sections off with my hands. I hope that they look good. I really can't see from the back, but if I'm parting, I can kind of see. Then I go ahead and I spray it with my rose water and glycerin mix, and then I twist that section up. I put the oil on, then I twist that section up. I go ahead and put the clip on so that the retwist can stay, and then I go ahead and I retwist the section right next to it. After that, I take the clips off and then I twist both of the sections together in a 2-strand twist, going in the same direction as my retwist went. Y'all do not want to go in the opposite direction of your retwist, because if you do, your retwist will come down. So make sure that you can feel it. So make sure that your retwist and your 2-strand twist is going in the same direction. You weren't able to see the bottom of this and how I put the rubber band on, but I'm going to show you again later in the video. To make it easier for me, I did go ahead and section off every row of my hair so that everything could go in order. So again, you're going to spray your hair with rose water and glycerin. Go ahead and put that oil on your scalp so that you can get the hold that you want, or you can use gel. I just choose not to use gel because I don't want buildup, but you can use that if you want to. I use oil because it works for my hair, even though it doesn't last that long, but it's great for my hair. Okay, now you're going to see me section off with my hands, and then I'm going to start twisting in the direction my hair twists in. Add your clips, then part and start on the next section of hair. Okay, this clip right here is in real time, so you can see how I actually twist my hair. I'm going to twist it with my fingers while twisting it in a 2-strand twist. Just like you would do Senegalese twist, just like you would do any other twist, that's exactly how you do this one right here. Make sure you're twisting in the opposite direction, not the same direction, the opposite direction of your retwist. And then you're going to go ahead and put that rubber band at the end of your hair. If your hair can stay without a rubber band, that's good. You can do that. I'm not sure if anybody's can, but I go ahead and put that rubber band on. You don't want to do it too tight to where it rips out your hair. And you can see how I'm doing it right here. I just flip it up and I put the rubber band on it so they can all be the same length. Okay, this right here is the end result of my twist. As you can see, it looks great. You can see my scalp, you can see everything that I've done. You can see that the rubber bands are at the end. I'll see if at the end of this video if I can put the pictures of me wearing it out, but here is the retwist. Thank you for watching.